Hey there! Instant cameras bring a special kind of magic, turning everyday moments into real memories you can hold. And today on Best Product, we're checking out the Polaroid Now 3rd Gen Instant Camera. Let's get started. This camera is made for people who love capturing life as it happens without waiting or editing later. The Polaroid Now 3rd Gen takes that classic instant photo experience and makes it even better with smarter features that help you get clear, beautiful shots in almost any situation. Whether you're indoors, outside, or in low light, it adjusts smoothly so your pictures come out bright and full of life. One of the coolest things about this camera is how easy it is to use while still giving you creative control. The upgraded autofocus system works with 2 lenses, so your photos stay sharp whether your subject is close or far away. You don't have to think too much, just point, shoot, and enjoy the moment. And if you're taking group photos, the built-in self-timer makes it simple to jump into the frame without rushing. As you keep using it, you'll notice how fun it becomes to experiment. With the double exposure feature, you can blend 2 moments into one unique image, which adds a creative twist to your photos. It's perfect for anyone who wants more than just basic pictures and enjoys adding a bit of artistic style to their memories. The design also plays a big role in the experience. It keeps that iconic Polaroid look but feels modern and comfortable to hold. It comes in several vibrant colors, so you can choose one that matches your personality. Plus, it's made with recycled materials, which is a great step toward being more eco-friendly. The USB-C rechargeable battery means you can keep shooting without worrying about constantly replacing batteries. In real life, this camera fits perfectly into trips, parties, hangouts, or even quiet moments at home. You take a photo, and within seconds, you have something real to share, stick on a wall, or keep as a memory. It's ideal for students, travelers, content creators, or anyone who loves the feeling of instant photography. And of course, it works with Polaroid I-type and 600 film, so every shot turns into that classic full-size print that never goes out of style. If you love capturing moments in a fun and meaningful way, this camera is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome finds.